This new map actually keeps more whole counties together. It is more compact.
Missouri's Attorney General defends the state's new congressional districts that lawmakers approved. But that new map faces several legal challenges in Jefferson City. I'm Lauren Halifax.
Then I'm John Holt. That includes 2 state lawsuits, one challenging whether the state constitution allows mid-decade redistricting, the other over signature gathering to put the map on the ballot. Fox 4's Jonathan Ketz here now after hearing from both sides on that signature case. He's here with what's at stake, John.
Yeah, John, so the map the legislature passed in September was seen as a way for Republicans to get a 7th member in Congress as opposed to the 6 out of 8 that they currently have.
Now, I know if you look at it just from the Kansas City perspective, it looks like there's a little sliver that goes into Kansas City.
Hanaway was likely talking about how the area west of 71 Highway goes into Congressional District 4, represented by Republican Mark Alford. The area east of it remains in District 5, represented by Democrat Emanuel Cleaver. One of the redistricting lawsuits is People Not Politicians versus Secretary of State Denny Hoskins. That group's collecting signatures to try to allow the people of the state to vote on the map that the legislature just passed. Hanaway takes issue with them collecting signatures, though, on this issue before it became law.
The governor hadn't signed it sets a dangerous precedent. Could you start collecting signatures even before the legislature voted on something? Like, how far back are you going to go that it becomes a very slippery slope?
Chuck Hatfield, on the other hand, is representing People Not Politicians. He sent us a timeline Monday that shows that his group collected more than 32,000 signatures in between the time the legislature passed the bill and the time that Governor Mike Kehoe signed it.
Do those people need to all sign again or not? And the secretary put out this press release on October 16th mentioning Missouri law that you cannot sign the same petition twice. I think that law is likely unconstitutional as well, but right now it's there. And so we need to know what to do about those 32,000 people that already signed the petition. Do we need to go get their signatures again, or will their signatures count? They're either valid or they're not valid.
So Hatfield wants a hearing in this case as quickly as possible. That's because People Not Politicians has until just December 11th to collect about 107,000 signatures to get the people of the state to vote on the congressional map. And of course, collecting 32,000 more signatures would require a lot more work in a short amount of time, John.
All right, John, thanks.